Him. He knows how to talk. He knows.
A guy fakes a sneeze for his dog and nearly 8 million people watched it. No title, no hashtags, nothing. Meanwhile, creators like me are out here putting in the work, trying to share things that could actually improve your life, your health, your body. But here's what this has taught me. TikTok doesn't always reward value, it rewards reactions. But I'm not quitting, because maybe, just maybe, the next person that scrolls past this video is the one who needs what I have to offer. If that's you, stay.